So we're standing in our brand new, highly technological, highly controlled research facility for growing plants in. So our controlled environment greenhouse facility. This is a fantastic new facility that we've had made available to us. It cost something like £2.5 million to build. The money supporting it primarily came from the university's endowment fund, to whom we're immensely grateful. And it's given us really a great opportunity to develop plant science research within the University of Manchester. If we're trying to reproduce the conditions that plants would be experiencing in different locations across the world, we need to have a lot of control over the environment they're growing in. So for example, within this facility, we have the ability to temperature control the vast majority of our growth space across quite a wide range. So if you came to me and said you wanted to do an experiment looking at plants from the UK and it was the middle of winter, I could give you summer in the UK. Equally, if you were interested in growing a plant like rice, we could turn up the temperature and we could create a tropical environment for you. So if we take the example of my own research, I'm interested in how plants respond to environmental stress, and that can mean occurrence of extreme temperatures, droughts, and so on. If we start looking across nature, we find that plants are adapted to a wide variety of different habitats. And we can learn a lot of lessons by studying natural plants and natural ecosystems that we can then apply to agriculture. We're working, for example, on tropical ecosystems, looking at tropical rainforests. We also have people who are looking at grasslands. So grasslands are a very important part of agriculture in the UK, and understanding how changing climates will impact on their productivity and the knock-on effects that will have both on nature, so on natural biodiversity, but also on the productivity of those systems for agriculture is really important. And these are the sort of topics that we'll be looking at here.